So the question number 12, 13 up to the question number 17, you have to do simply the multiplications. I will do this 3. See here 18 number, here 3 factors are there, 1 2 3. So this one I will do. Right. What is the question it is given? Two x plus 3, 3x minus 2, then x minus 5. So you have to do multiplication. So first these two term I will do the multiplications. Any two term you can do multiplication. So first these two are in the first and second, so I will do the first and second terms. So 2x and 3x, 6x square, 2x and 2, 4x. Then this part is complete, this term. Now with the second, 3 into 3x, 9x. Then 3 into minus 2, minus 6. And this term will be as it is, x minus 5. Simplification, any addition, subtraction, minus 4x plus 9x, how much it will be? 5x. Plus 5x or minus 5x? This one is bigger, so plus, minus 6, x minus 5. Now again do the multiplication of these two. With this you have to do the multiplication. 6x square with this x, 6x cube, 6x square minus 5, minus 6 5 are 30x square. Now with this term you have to start 5x x, 5x square, 5x minus 5, minus 25x. Now this part complete with with 6, minus 6 minus x, sorry, minus 6 plus x, 6x, minus 6 minus 5 plus 30. Now check any like term is there. Yes, these two are like terms and these two are like terms. So 6x cube, 30x square, 5x square, minus 25x square, 25x minus 25x minus 6x, how much? Minus 31x plus 30. So this will be your answer. Okay. 18 number done. So similarly 19 number also you have to do it by yourself. See in 19 number what is that is given. So that means first of all you have to do the multiplication of these two, and then with these two you have to do the multiplication. After that this minus sign you have to keep in like this. You will do multiplication of these two inside the bracket. After that you will do the multiplication of these two inside the bracket. Don't split this minus. Then you check the like terms, unlike terms, according to that do subtraction, addition inside the bracket only. Here also after doing the simplification, if you got that no like terms is there, now then after you split this bracket. This one you can easily break it because here positive sign is there, but here negative is there now, so you have to careful with this. So according to the sign plus minus you have to split the bracket with this minus sign. Then after you check with these two any like unlike term is there, whether they are getting cancelled maybe, or their subtraction may be possible or addition may be possible. That one you have to do. Okay. Now question number 20. Which of the following product is equal to this? Which of the following, your question it is given, this is your algebraic expression, x square minus 5x minus 6. So in between all the options it is given, in which option, that means which multiplication, if you do the multiplication of these two term or these two term or these two, in which option you will get this algebraic expression. So simply you have to do the multiplication. So x minus x plus 1, a option, x plus 1 x minus 6, you do the multiplication. Similarly, B, C, D, and like this you do the multiplication. Which option you are getting this term x square minus 5x minus 6, that will be your answer. So though I have done, you do by yourself, do the multiplication then. Twenty-one number is given. Similarly here also multiplication if we do. So horse. 22 number. If, see the question, this is very important questions. If x plus 4 x plus 1 minus x minus 1 x minus 2 equal to 0, what is the value of x? So first of all, write this expression. Equal to 0 is given, you write equal to 0. Do the multiplications. X plus 4 x plus 1. So what will be the multiplication? If you do x into x, x square, x into 1 x, 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 1 4. Now this one also, x into x, x square, x into 2 minus 2x, 1 into x, x, and minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. Okay, now check in like terms, unlike term, split the bracket. Now here x square 5x plus 4 x square 3x plus 2. Okay, simplification done. Now split the bracket. So if you split the bracket, check here, if you split the bracket, here minus is there, here plus is there, so minus only. Here minus, here minus, so minus minus plus 3x. Here also minus, here plus, so plus minus minus 2. So you have split to the bracket. Now check, this one is plus x square, this is minus, so these two will get cancelled. Okay, now next line, 5x and here 3x, that means 8x. 4 minus 2 2, so that means 8x is equal to 8x plus 2 is equal to 0. So if you shift this 2 in that side, so you will get 8x minus 2. So x will be how much? X will be your 2 minus 2 by 8. So if you do the cancellation, you will get minus 1 by 4. Okay, so, and these questions, write a polynomial that represents the product of three consecutive odd integers. So first of all, do know what is meant by consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means they are side by side, one another, one to the next, that is called the consecutive. So like 1 consecutive to 1 is 2, then consecutive to 2 is 3. So like this they are consecutive side by side. No, so here also polynomial consecutive odd integer. So consecutive odd, first of all you tell me consecutive odd number means 1, sorry, 1, then 3, the next to the consecutive is 5, the next to that is 7, like this consecutive odd. If consecutive even, it is asked 2, 4, 6, 8, like this. No, okay, so here consecutive polynomial, then what will be the factors? So even number we can represent it as a 2x, the next will be 2x plus 2, that means if 2, then next will be 2 plus 2 4, next will be 2 plus 4 plus 2 6, like this. Now so I can write 2x plus 2, 2x plus 4, 2x plus 6, like this it will be consecutive even number. So if it is asked consecutive odd number, so you can write 2x is even number. So with even number, if I add odd number, every time we will get odd only. So that means consecutive odd will be 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 4, not 4, for 2x plus 4 is gone to that even number. I need odd number, 2x plus 5, like this. Huh? But see the question it is given, the first one is being 2x minus 1, that means your first odd number is 2x minus 1. So you tell me one thing, if 2x is even number, so next to that even number, what is the next even number? So you can write 2x plus 2, or you can write 2x minus 2, isn't it? Suppose you have 4, next to this even number you can also tell that 2 consecutive 2, 4, or you can tell 6. Now so similarly, if your first odd number is suppose 2x plus 1, so what is next to that number, consecutive to that number? So you can tell it may be 2x minus 1, or you can tell 2x plus 3. Okay, so see the question, it is given the first odd number is this one. Your first odd number is 2x minus 1. So what will be the next to that? Obviously it will be this one, and next to that one it will be 2x plus 3. So the question, it is given that the first is being this one, the first is 2x minus 1, and the question is asked the product of 3 consecutive odd integers. So if first one is this one, second one will be 2x plus 1, next one will be 2x plus 3. So you have to do the multiplication of these 3 terms. So after doing the multiplications, like terms you will do addition, subtraction according to the sign. After that, final simplified algebraic expression you will get, that will represent the what? Represent the product of 3 consecutive odd integers. Okay, so I have write the expressions, so you do the multiplications and you will get the answer. Do the multiplication, then simplify, you will get the answer. So with this, your exercise 5C is completed. Hope you have understood all this, and in the next video we will discuss about the exercise 5D.